Greetings, food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time to uncover the surprising origin of a kitchen staple we often take for granted, margarine. So, buckle up for a historical ride as we explore the intriguing story behind this beloved spread. Our story begins in the lavish dining rooms of 19th century France, where butter was a symbol of status and wealth. However, as demand soared and supply dwindled, butter became a luxury many couldn't afford. Enter Emperor Napoleon III, a man faced with the challenge of providing an affordable alternative to butter for his people and armies. In 1869, he posed a question to the masses. Could someone create a substitute that was both economical and palatable? The challenge was accepted by French chemist Hippolyte Maurice, a pioneer in his field. Maurice ingeniously combined beef tallow, skimmed milk, and water, creating a spreadable concoction that would change the course of culinary history. In 1871, Maurice patented his creation under the name oleomargarine, derived from the Greek word oleo for oil. Little did he know, this invention would soon transcend its military origins and find its way into kitchens worldwide. News of this revolutionary butter substitute made its way across the Atlantic to the United States, with World War II causing dairy shortages and an urgent need for a more affordable alternative. Margarine quickly gained popularity among American households. Now, margarine faced an unexpected challenge: its appearance. In an attempt to make it less appealing than butter, some U.S. states mandated that margarine be dyed pink. Consumers then had to mix in a separate yellow coloring agent to achieve the desired buttery hue. As we step into the 20th century, margarine undergoes a transformation. Advancements in technology and food science lead to improved taste, texture, and color, making it a more acceptable and convenient alternative to butter. And there you have it. The incredible journey of margarine. From Napoleon's table to becoming a household essential. Whether you're spreading it on your morning toast or using it in your favorite recipes, margarine has certainly come a long way from its humble beginnings. If you enjoyed this historical exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more captivating stories, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. I hope you join me for the next episode as we unravel more culinary mysteries. Until then, happy spreading.